Hey, what up YouTube? Chester from McPherson Racing here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install this. It's the Bikini Fairing from Burley Brand. It actually went on pretty easy, and it makes a pretty big difference in the wind buffeting. I just took it for a test drive. Some of that footage will be a little bit later on in the video, but first we're going to show you how to pop this on. This Burley Brand Outlaw Bikini Fairing kit comes with everything you need to install it, and you start by installing the windshield using the button head Allen screws and some stainless steel locking nuts. The next step is to install the fairing mounts with the worm clamps onto the forks. Then bolt the mounting brackets to the fairing itself, and then start the nuts and screws that actually hold the fairing to the fairing mount on the forks, adjust everything, and then tighten it down to final spec. This kit should be painted ideally before you install it. I didn't do it because my bike is black and it looks pretty good with the bike anyways, and it only took about 45 minutes to an hour to actually install once you have all the tooling out and set up and ready to go. And it makes a huge difference in your riding experience. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by the channel and checking out this video. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. I'm going to be installing the license plate relocation kit and bag soon, so keep an eye out for that. Have a good weekend. Peace.